Good morning, children. Already first chapter real numbers that is over. Next second chapter that is polynomials and factorization. It is first one that is what is a variable. Variable means that value always changes. That is always changes that value. Generally we are taking the variables that is English alphabets X, Y, Z. Here variable vary, that value is always changes. It is not a fixed value. Next constant. Constant means that value no changes. That is fixed value. Fixed value. Generally we are taking numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here X, Y, Z and so on. Okay, variable means that value always changes. It is not a fixed value. Constant means that is a fixed value. Next term. What is term? You know this all one. That is in previous class, that is 8th class. Learn that one. Term means a combination of variable. Combination of variable and constant or only variable or only constant. Here combination of variable and constant or only variable or only constant. Here combination of variable and constant, that is take 2x or 2y or whatever it may be any. Here only variable, that is x or y, or only constant, that is 2 or 3 whatever it may be. Therefore that is a term. Here see, here 2 is the constant and x is the variable. Here 2 is the constant, y is the variable. Therefore this is a combination of variable and constant. Here only variable, that is x or y or z whatever it may be. Here constant, that is 2 or 3 or 4 or whatever it may be, any number. Therefore term means a combination of variable or only variable and only constant. Here algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression means a combination of terms. Combination of terms. That is one term, two terms, three terms or whatever. Here 2x, that is one term, or 2x plus 3 or 2x plus 3y minus 4 or and so on. Here see, here 2x only one term. Here 2 and x only one term only. Here 2x plus 3, 2x is the one term and 3 is the one term. Here 2x, 3y and 4. Here 3 terms is the 2x plus 3y minus 4. Next 4 terms are what? Here combination of terms is called algebraic expression. Okay. Next, what is a polynomial? Here algebraic expression means a combination of terms or single term, two terms or more than two terms. What are it we call? That is algebraic expression. Here x plus 1 by x, that is also a algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Okay. Here x square plus 1 by x square plus 2, that is also a algebraic expression. Okay. Next, we have discussed the polynomial. What is a polynomial? Here polynomial, an algebraic expression, an algebraic expression which involves non-negative integral powers of variable. Any variable, that is x or y. Here an algebraic expression which involves non-negative integral powers of x. In algebraic expression, negative numbers also. Suppose generally you are taking x square plus 2x plus 1. Here x power 2 is there, here x power 1 is there, therefore all are positive. Therefore that is a polynomial. That is a polynomial in a variable x. Suppose x square plus 1, that is also a polynomial. Or x power 4 plus x plus 1 or minus 1, whatever it will, that is also a polynomial. Here power should be positive only, here power should be nothing means 1 is there, therefore that is a polynomial. Suppose here x plus 1 by x plus 1 is a polynomial or not? It is not a polynomial, not polynomial. Why? Here denominator change into numerator, that is x plus x power minus 1 plus 1. Here power should be negative exponent. Suppose root x plus 1, that is also not a polynomial. Why? Here this it can be written as x power 1 by 2 plus 1. Here any variable, that is x or y, power should be positive integer. That one power should be fraction or negative value, that is not a polynomial. This is very very important. Therefore any variable power should be positive integer. Here 2, that is positive integer. Here power 1, that is also a positive integer. Yes sir? Integer means negative value. Here what is going to see? Non-negative. Non-negative means that is positive. Integral power, therefore that is a fractions. Therefore here root it can be written as x power 1 by 2. Therefore here x square plus 2x plus 1, that is a polynomial. Here x plus 1 by x plus 1 is not a polynomial. Suppose here root 2 x plus 1, that is a polynomial. Here 2 is constant, that is a root 2, that is a constant. Therefore that is no effect on this one. Yes, it is a polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial. Polynomial is what? Definition: an algebraic expression which involves non-negative integral powers of any variable or integral powers of x, y, z, whatever it may be, any variable. That is here according to terms, polynomials divided into according to polynomials, according to terms, that is monomial, binomial, next tri, next multinomial. Here monomial means only one term, therefore single term, that is 2x or x or 2. Yes sir? Here 2x, that is a variable and that is only one term. Here x also only one term and 2 also only one. Therefore single term, that is called monomial. Binomial means that is two terms, 2x plus 1 or 2x minus 1 or 2x square minus x, whatever it may be. Here 2x 1 in between plus is, that is two terms. Here 2x minus 1, that is a minus term, minus is there. Here 2x square minus 1, that is also two terms, therefore that is a binomial. Next trinomial, therefore x plus y plus 2 or x minus y plus 2 or x square plus x minus 2, whatever it may be. Here variable x and y is there. Here total how many terms? That is 3 terms. Here x minus y plus 2. Here also 3 terms. Here also 3 terms. Trinomial means that is 3 terms. Multinomial more than 3 terms, that is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 or this it can be written as x cube minus x square plus x minus 1. Here see 4 terms is there, therefore x cube x square x 1. Here x cube x square x 1. Therefore here 4 terms is there, therefore that is a multinomial. Here monomial means only one term. Binomial means that is 2 terms. Here trinomial means that is 3 terms. Here multinomial means more than 3 terms. Next, here degree of the monomial, binomial, trinomial and multinomial. Here monomial, suppose here power should be 1 is there, therefore degree of this monomial is only 1. Suppose here 100 x square y z power 1 is there, therefore here this is totally only one term. Here 3 variables is there, x, y, z. Therefore degree of this monomial, therefore variable power should be added, therefore that is degree. Degree of this monomial equal to 2 plus 1 plus 1, that equal to 4. Here 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is a degree of this monomial. How many variables is that power should be added, therefore that is the degree of that monomial. Next, binomial. Here 2 terms is there. Suppose here power 1 is there, here constant. degree, which is highest power, that is the degree. Here degree is only one variable, therefore that is here see here 2x square and here degree is here 2 here 1, which is highest, that is 2, therefore degree of this binomial is that is 2, degree of the binomial, therefore find out the each individual term degree which is highest, that is the degree of the binomial. Next trinomial also same only degree find out to, that is the degree of the each individual term, therefore which is highest, that is the, therefore here power 1 is there, here power 1 here constant, therefore which is highest, that is 1 only. Here see here degree of this trinomial is that is 2, here power 2 is there, here power 1 here, therefore that is. Next here multinomial, that is also same only, which is highest power, that is the individual terms, therefore that is the degree of the monomial, binomial, trinomial or multinomial, whatever it may be. Okay, binomial means that is 2 terms, monomial means 1 term, trinomial means that is 3 terms, multinomial means that is 4 terms. According to this is the terms, according to degree, according to degree according to degree, according to degree, therefore the degree is 1, degree is 1, that is linear polynomial, linear polynomial, that is degree is 2, that is quadratic polynomial, quadratic polynomial, degree is 3, that is a cubic polynomial, degree is 4, that is biquadratic. Here see degree is 1, that is a linear polynomial, degree is 2, that is a quadratic polynomial, degree is 3, that is a cubic polynomial, degree is 4, that is a biquadratic. Here general form of the, that is ax plus b where a not equal to 0. This is general form. That is general form of linear polynomial, that is ax plus b where a not equal to 0. Suppose here a equal to 0, that is only constant polynomial. Next here degree is 2, that is quadratic polynomial, general form is ax square plus bx plus c where a not equal to 0. Next degree is 3, degree is 3, that is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d where a not equal to 0. Next biquadratic, ax4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e where a not equal to 0. Here see here degree of linear, degree is 1, that is a linear polynomial, general form is ax plus b where a not equal to 0. Suppose here a equal to 0, that is only constant polynomial, that is not a linear polynomial. Here degree is 2, that is quadratic polynomial, general form is ax square plus bx plus c where a not equal to 0. Suppose here a equal to 0, this total term is 0, here remaining is bx plus c, that is again converted into linear polynomial. Next degree is 3, that is cubic polynomial, general form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d where a not equal to 0. Suppose a equal to 0, this total term is 0, here remaining is bx square plus cx plus d, that is again converted into quadratic polynomial. Next degree is 4, that is biquadratic polynomial, that is general form is ax cube plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus c where a not equal to 0. A equal to 0, this total term is equal to 0, therefore again it is converted into cubic polynomial. Biquadratic means that is degree is 4, general form is ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e where a not equal to 0. Here a, b, c, d are quotient of variable x. Suppose quotient of x power 4, that equal to a, quotient of x cube, that is b, here quotient of x cube, that is c, quotient of x, that is d. Here constant term is, that is e. Here also same, quotient of x square, that is a. Quotient of x, that is here a, b are quotient of x square and x. Here c is the constant. Here a, b, c are quotient of x cube, x square, x. Here degree of 4, that is biquadratic, that is ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, where a not equal to 0. One more time, see, degree is 1, that is linear polynomial, that is general form is ax plus b, where a not equal to 0. Here degree is 2, that is quadratic polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0. Here degree is 3, that is cubic polynomial, that is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a not equal to 0. Here degree is 4, that is biquadratic, therefore degree is ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, where a not equal to 0. That is. Here next, what is degree of the constant polynomial? Next, 0 polynomial. Here degree of constant polynomial, degree of constant polynomial. Suppose 100 is given. Here 100 it can be written as 100 into x power 0 or y power 0, any variable power x power 0, therefore that equal to 1. Therefore here degree is that equal to 0. Suppose 1 lakh is given, any number is given, that is 5 is given, therefore 5 into y power 0, that is also degree is 0. Degree of any constant polynomial, that is 0 only. Next, 0 polynomial. 0 polynomial means all the quotients of the variable, that is 0 into x square plus 0 into x plus 0. Here all the quotient, x square quotient is 0, x quotient is 0, constant also 0, that is called 0 polynomial. Degree of the 0 polynomial. Degree of 0 polynomial, that is not defined or undefined. Degree of constant polynomial, that is 0. Degree of 0 polynomial, that is not defined. Why? Here 0 into x square plus 0 into x plus 0. And another person write 0 into x cube plus 0 into x plus 0. Here 3 is there, here x is there. Or one more person 0 into x plus 0. Or one more person 0 into x power 5 plus 0 into x cube plus 0. Here 5, here 1, here 3, here 2. Therefore, so that's why that is the degree of any constant, any 0 polynomial, that is not defined. Degree of the constant polynomial is 0. Degree of 0 polynomial, that is not defined. Okay, understood? Yeah, next one, start exercise now. That is very easy exercise. That is exercise 2.1. Yeah, write the degree of the polynomial. Yeah, first one, degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. Yeah, first one, x power 5 minus x power 4 plus 3. Here x square plus x minus 5. 3x power 6, 6y cube minus 7. See, here x power 5, x power 4, 3. Here total 3 terms is there, therefore that is a trinomial. Here highest power is what? Individual term, that is x power 5, degree is 5. Here x power 4, that is a degree is 4. Here is a constant, that is 0. Therefore total degree of this polynomial is highest power is what? That is a 5. Degree of this polynomial is 5. Here x square x 5. Here x power 2, x power 1, here 5. Therefore highest power is what? That is a degree is, that is 2. Next one is here only 5 is given, that is constant polynomial. Therefore 5 into x power 0. Degree of any constant polynomial is, that is 0. Next one is 3x power 6 plus 6y cube minus 7. Here variable x and y is there, therefore it is a polynomial. But two variables, therefore here x power 6, that is a degree is the 6. Here y cube, that is degree is 3. Therefore highest is 6. Therefore degree of this polynomial is 6. Here one more time, see, x power 5 minus x power 4 plus 3. Highest power is what? 5. Therefore degree equal to 5. Here x square plus x power 1 minus 5, that equal to degree equal to 2. 5 into x power 0, therefore degree is 0. 3 into x power 6 plus 6y cube minus 7, therefore degree equal to 6. Okay, next question. Here next question. Here which of the following expression of polynomial is one variable? Which of the following expression are polynomials in variable and give reason. Here first one, here 3x square minus 2x plus 5. Then second one, x square plus root 2. Here p square 3p. Here see, here which are the following expressions are the polynomial in one variable and give reason. See, here 3x square minus 2x plus 5. Here variable x is there, here also x, therefore yes, it is a polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial. In one variable. Only one variable, x variable. Here see, x square plus root 2. Here also only one variable. Therefore yes, it is a polynomial in one variable. Next, here p square minus 3p plus q. Here p is there, here q is there, therefore no, it is not a polynomial in one variable. Yes, it is a polynomial, but two variables. So you are asking only one variable. See here, 3x square minus 2x plus 5. Here only variable x is there. Yes, it is a polynomial in a one variable. Next, x square plus root 2. Yes, it is a polynomial in a one variable, only x variable. Here p square minus 3p plus q. No, it is not a polynomial in one variable. Here two variables is there. Yes, sir? Next question. Here y plus 1 by y. Next, fifth one is 5 root x plus x root 5. Here y plus 1 by y. Therefore y plus this equation y power minus 1. Therefore here it is not a polynomial. No, it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Here variable y is there, but it is not a polynomial. Here 5 root x plus x root 5. This it can be written as 5 into x power 1 by 2 plus x into root 5. Here x power 1 by 2, that is a fraction is there. It is also not a polynomial. No, it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Here y plus 1 by y, therefore y plus y power minus 1. No, it is not a polynomial. 5 root x plus x root 5. Here 5 into x power 1 by 2 plus x into root 5. No, it is not a polynomial. Why? Here root x is there, therefore it is not a polynomial. Okay. Next question, third one. Third question. Here, write the quotient of x cube. Write the coefficient of x cube in each of the following. First one is x cube plus x plus 1. Second one, 2 minus x cube plus x square. Next, third one, root 2 x cube plus 5. Here minus 2 by 3 x cube. Here see, write the following. Write the quotient of x cube in each of the following. Here x cube plus x plus 1, that is 3 terms is there. Here x cube term is there. Here quotient. Here therefore coefficient of x cube. Therefore quotient of x cube, that is equal to 1 is there. Next one is here 2 minus x cube plus x square. Therefore that is coefficient of x cube, that is equal to minus 1. Next, coefficient of here x cube, that is equal to minus 2 by 3. Here is quotient of x cube, that is equal to root 2. Therefore one more time see, here quotient, that is x cube quotient, that is nothing means 1 is there. Therefore quotient of x cube, that is 1. Here 2 minus x cube plus x square. Here x cube term is there, therefore that is quotient of x cube equal to, that is minus 1. Here quotient of x cube, that is equal to root 2. Here quotient of x cube equal to, that is minus 2 by 3. Suppose here fifth question. Here 2x square plus 5. Here 2x square plus 5, that is equal to quotient of x cube term. Here x cube term is not there, therefore that is 0. For any term, here quotient of x square term, that is 2. Here quotient of x cube term is not there, therefore that value is equal to how much? That is 0. Next one is, that is true or false. Fifth one, that is true or false. Here first question. A binomial can have at the most 2 terms. Every polynomial is a binomial. Degree of 0 polynomial zero. Pi all square is a monomial. Here see, here A binomial can have at most two terms only. Yes, that is true only. A binomial that is two terms only. X plus 2 or x minus 2 or x square minus 2x. Therefore, that is a binomial can have at the most two terms, maximum that is two terms only. Every polynomial is a binomial, that is false. Why? That is monomial, trinomial, multinomial. Yes, sir? Therefore, that is false. Degree of zero polynomial is 0. That is also false. Degree of zero polynomial is what? That is not defined. That is not defined. Next, pi r square is a monomial. Yes, that is true. One more time, see. A binomial can have at most two terms. That is yes. Example, x plus 2, x minus 2, x square minus 2x. Every polynomial is a binomial. No. Why means that is a monomial or binomial or trinomial or multinomial. What are it? Yes, that is a false. Degree of zero polynomial. Zero polynomials, all the quotients are 0. Therefore, degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Therefore, that is a false. Pi r square is a monomial. Yes. Pi r square is only one term. Therefore, that is a monomial. Here, pi r square is a monomial. That is a true. Okay. Thank you.